Hey everyone! So I recently took the plunge and tried something that claimed I could get paid to write online without a writing degree, portfolio, or years of experience. It's called PaidWritingJobs.com, and I gave it a full 7-day test. Ding ding. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what happened in my first week, what I did, what I earned, what surprised me, and what you should know before signing up. Spoiler alert, I did get paid, but there are some things you need to watch out for, so stay tuned. And if you're curious, the link is in the description. On day 1, I signed up through a promo link for about $27. After logging in, I got access to a dashboard that included training videos, writing tips, and most importantly, a list of job opportunities. The platform doesn't directly hire you, instead it connects you with companies and websites looking for freelance writers. The interface was clean and beginner-friendly, which was great because I had zero experience. For the next 2 days, I followed their advice, created a basic writer profile, used their templates, and started applying for writing gigs. Most of the jobs were blog posts, product reviews, listicles, and simple article rewrites. Some paid $25, others $50 and up. I sent out about 6 applications and heard back from 2 clients within 48 hours. That's when things started to get exciting. I accepted a job writing a 700-word article on eco-friendly home products, something I knew a little about. I used the outline they provided, wrote it in Google Docs, and submitted it on time. The next day, I received $40 via PayPal. That was the moment I realized this actually works. I also completed a second, smaller gig reviewing a mobile app which paid $25. By day 7, I'd earned $65 total just writing in my spare time. While it wasn't life-changing money, it proved that this method is real. More importantly, it gives me confidence and momentum to keep going. I also started building a mini portfolio to apply for higher-paying gigs in the future. Is PaidWritingJobs.com a magic money button? No, but if you're a beginner who wants to break into freelance writing without wasting weeks trying to figure it out yourself, it's a great starting point. You still need to apply, write well, and meet deadlines. But if you follow their steps, you can earn, even in your first week like I did. If you want to try PaidWritingJobs.com for yourself, I've dropped the official link in the description below so you avoid any fake sites. Make sure to smash that like button if you found this video helpful, comment your questions below, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest make money from home reviews. See you in the next one!